Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Under the hood, we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in dark gray, and it looks awesome. You got that hood on there, and it looks really cool with those divots in it. You got the Chevrolet logo up front with that chrome accenting, and on the bumper as well. You do have projector-style headlamps hanging out there, and then around the side here are tires, and they are Goodyear tires. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look really nice as well. You do got the Silverado logo there, and your mirrors right there in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Coming around the back here, you do have the cover on the back here, and it looks awesome. You got the Silverado logo and the Chevrolet logo. It is a 5-foot box, lots of room back here. You'll be good for a while. You can hold a lot of stuff. It'll be awesome. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock all the doors. You got 1 press to lock them, and you do have your panic button under there. But let's unlock and let's take a look. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right here, as well as you got a bit of that chrome accenting hanging out here. You got a handle, some storage, and some more storage right down. You got a little, like, place you can put a water bottle or something. You got the controls over your seats here, and then you do have the controls over your 4-wheel low and your 4-wheel lock, as well as your auto. And then you also have your lights, your auto, your on, your daytime running lights, and then the in-cabin light control there. And then this guy here is the control over your high beams, your turning signal, and your windshield wipers. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you have your fuel gauge, you have your battery life, you have your transmission temperature, and your oil. So in the center there, it does tell us our tire KPA right now, but we can change that guy. So we do have our info, we got our audio, our phone options, we have navigation, we have, just let's focus a little bit better, we have normal options, and you can access all that stuff through your steering wheel. You can change all those guys, you can go into there, change those guys up. So on this side, you do have your cruise control options right there. You have your horn in the middle, and then that one is the one that changes the things. So you got your hang up and your voice recognition as well on the steering wheel. And then this is your gear shift here, so just like that, shifting gears. And then in the center here, you do have your touch screen display. So you have all of the options down there. Plus you do have FM and AM hanging out in there. And then you have your phone out options, your Bluetooth, you have your navigation, then you also have your text options, and you can change all those guys. You can look at things through here. You have your Sirius XM as well if you want to access that. You have your media tab, all of those guys, and then you also got your home. You can access all of the stuff through there, OnStar, and all of those things. Then you can also turn your volume up and down, as well as you can turn it off. You got your radio, your media, you can press those guys, change that, or to forward and back, and then you also have your eject button, your back and your home, and then your menu option there. You got the speed up and down here. You have your AC, you have your circulation, where it's going to blow out of, your defrosts there, and then the temperature over here. This one is your traction control and your light for the back, so you can see back there. And then you also got like a little storage container here. You can put some stuff in there, and you do got your plug-in in there as well. And then in the center here, you do have 3 cup holders right there with a little bit of storage in these guys. And you can open this guy up, get that out of the way. Then you also have some storage right in there, plus a 12-volt plug-in and some USB plug-ins right over there. You can also open this guy up, and it gives you another seat, so you do have 6 seats all together. And then you also have a locking glove box over here, and a second one just down there with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top here, you do have the controls over your lights, and then you also have a sunglass holder right there. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Whoop. Now you do also have that same chrome accenting here. Got a handle, some more storage as well, all over. Tons of storage, you can put lots of stuff in there. A lot of room back here, very soft. It's the same material as the front. It'll be very comfy for long car trips and whatnot. You got some storage there. You could throw some CDs or whatever you might want to. You can put this guy down here, just like that. Then you got some cup holders for the people back here. You can also lift this up, and then you can access whatever you need to under there. If you did slide something under there, you could get it through there as well. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.